Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Commonwealth crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in app.joincommonwealth.xyz and click on enter. After that, you will need to verify that you are a human by just clicking on this box here. Now you will be directed to official homepage of Commonwealth Crypto. At the top right corner of the screen you can see a login button. Click on it. Now type in your email address on this field here. Your email address should be associated with your Commonwealth account. After typing in your email address, you can click on send link button here. Now you need to verify your email address by opening your email account. After the verification is completed, you can log into your Commonwealth crypto account. If you didn't got an verification email, you can click on resend link here and verification email will be sent again to your email address. Also make sure that you have typed your email address correctly. So that is how you can log into your Commonwealth crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.